Hi everyone. This lecture has 3 parts. 1. Write from an idea into a thesis statement. 2. Revised a weak thesis statement to a strong one. 3. Given any ideas, write thesis statement and topic sentences. 1. When you have an idea, how to write it into a thesis statement with controlling ideas that are necessary for the topic sentences. First, you would think about what does this add to a reader's understanding and reform or contest the common understanding of your topic. How does this change their conception of your topic? Okay, before we start, let's clarify some easily mixed up issues. Observation versus thesis. An observation is something that is easily verifiable by all observers and will agree with you. A thesis is exactly the opposite. It is something you can be contested, debated, and argued about. A thesis gives a lot of people either agree or disagree with you. Here is an example. First, you might have a topic and you have some opinions. The topic is shopping at Walmart. Opinion is something personal, that everyone should shop at Walmart. And then give some reasons. 1. Walmart has a variety. 2. Walmart has a large inventory. 3. Walmart has cheap prices. Now you can write the thesis statements that has a topic subject, which is your opinion, as a claim, and then you give some subtopics for the reasons. Everyone should shop at Walmart because they have variety, large inventory, and cheap prices. Here comes 2 sets of characteristics of strong and weak thesis statement. Strong. It gives specific answer to your prompt, which means you should limit your topic not too vague or too general. Of course, not specific as a fact, just the certain scope of content that you can focus and cover. 2. Take a distinct position on the topic. That means you have to show your faith, your strong claim, to take a position that you agree or disagree, like it or not. 3. It is debatable. That means there's some reason to argue, or there are some alternative position that people can disagree, so you want to prove that you are reasonable. 4. Allow your reader to anticipate your organization. That means you should predict and foretell. That means logically organized the structure of your essay. 5. Appropriately focused for an entire essay. That means you need a strong support and very well organized and focused. The weak side. It is vague, not specific, as compared with the strong one. Number 1. 2. Offer summary or facts. That means you can merely just list and summarize it Just list a fact instead of arguing by providing your opinions. 3. Offer opinion or conjecture that can be proven with text evidence. With your text, you won't just talk about your opinion or simple reasons. You have to prove with facts, and you have strong opinion supported by the facts. 4. Too broad or complex for the essay to cover. Too broad means too general. Too complex means something you cannot reason clearly. That means there's some holes in your essay. There's some question not answered. 5. Using promises, not something meaningful. You can't just say some promises instead of prove with the facts. Well, you might have more points to list here, and you're welcome to do so. The following are 3 revised thesis statements to compare with the poor ones. The original thesis. In this paper, I will discuss the relationship between fairy tales and early childhood. Well, it's simply an announcement of what you're going to do. Instead, the revised thesis. Not just empty stories for kids. Fairy tales shed light on the psychology of young children. So you can tell that it contains more meaning and more contents, more subjects to talk about. The original thesis. We must save whales. Revised thesis. We should save whales because our planet's health may depend on biological diversity. So the first one, original one, is rather simple. It doesn't offer any meaning to discuss. The revised one provides reason by using because clause. You can do so, especially when you need to write your controlling ideas, by providing reasons using clauses. Compared and reversed 3. Original thesis. Hoover's administration was rocked by scandal. Reversed thesis. The many scandals of Hoover's administration revealed basic problems with the Republican Party's nominating process. All right. Now, given any ideas, we'll practice writing 3 topic sentences from next thesis statement. This is thesis statement you are going to write topic sentence from. The important link between civil rights era music and today's conception of R&B genre has been overlooked in today's music history courses. From this thesis statement, we can see 3 sub-ideas. 1. Artists who gained popularity during this time period. 2. Use of anger, outrages in lyrics. 3. Use of subtext, hidden meanings. From the topic, we have sample topic sentences. Many of influential artists whose work is discussed in music history classes first emerged from the civil rights movement. From the second topic, we have second sample topic sentences. The turmoil of the civil rights era led the popular musical artists and lyricists to incorporate explosive and highly personal lyrics into their songs, as we have come to expect. Topic 3 for topic sample topic sentences. Music history classes discuss the various ways that music helped bring communities of people together. However, they often overlooked the way that the hidden meanings in songs helped to maintain continuous support of the civil rights movement in the African American community. Well, they are unfolded into sub-technical topics if you know about the subject. However, the same principles apply to any subjects of the trades or professions. This is online generated references from the differences between topic sentence and thesis statement. Thank you.